is how we type mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can activate your personal hotspot so other people use your phone's internet as a Wi-Fi. So in this case, go to your setting option. In setting, you see here personal hotspot is off. Hit this one. Hit here to activate. You have to put a password to your account. So this is activated now. I will go to another phone to see how it appears. Here, let's go to another device. I go to here, Wi-Fi option. It should appear as a Wi-Fi. I go, let's see here appear anything of Apple or not. So you can see now iPhone this OLED that is activated. I can connect with this one. I have to put the password in this case. So you can see finally, if you see this signal, that means the iPhone is connected with another iPhone. I hit here YouTube Sky News. Hit it. So it's working perfectly and clear version. You can see here the top, that means it's connected with another phone as well. So this is the way you can connect or activate your personal hotspot. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.